Alright, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I got my interior lights back. So I have some in there right now, but it doesn't work, so I'm gonna fix it for you guys, show you guys how to do it. So here's a cold start on my 2017 Dodge Challenger SXT. You guys ready for this? I did the exhaust in my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. It'll be at the end of this video if you guys didn't see it. So go check it out, it's amazing. I did it for my 100 subscribers. So yeah, let's hear this exhaust. This is a cold start. Hope you guys are ready. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm back. So here are the inside lights I got on Amazon. You guys should go check it out. These are worth it. So the ones I have in here now, they don't really work because the connector piece on the driver's side or passenger side, it like broke off or something, and then the colors are all messed up. So I also got this on Amazon. These are like Lamborghinis. So you know, you flip up and you hit the start button. So you guys should go check those out if you got a nice sports car and you want to make it kind of, you know, Lamborghini feeling, like flip up and start it up like a Lambo. So now I'm gonna take out these inside lights, you guys will see it, and then I'll show you guys how to install these new ones. See you guys then. Alright guys, so I got the wires out. These are all the wires. So as you can see right here, the wires was coming out. It started shredding and everything. So I had to pull it out. It was stuck in there. The wires came out. Look at these. That's why the colors wasn't coming out as clearly as it's supposed to. So we get rid of those. And now we come in with the new lights. So you guys will see these. Alright guys, so now I have put the wires. I know which one's for the front and which one's for the back. I put the module right here in the middle. I'm gonna try it from the middle now. Before I did it on the side, that one was a little harder. So now I have the back one right here. You can either stick it to the back here, but right underneath here I have a Velcro strap thing that I just slide it through. So I'm gonna just slide it right through. Right in there. And then make sure you guys hide your wires. You don't want wires being exposed and showing. It makes the car look more uglier. Oh guys, look at this. It's my YouTube. Make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. Share it to everybody. Let's get them subscribers up. So now when you tuck in the wires, tuck it in between like the plastics and all that to hide it. Make it look clean. And then now to the front. Now come like from up here. So now this is the front wire. So run it to wherever you want to. So I want mine like close to the wheel well, but that way you don't see it still. Not the wheel well, the pedals. And then make sure you guys hide the wires again. So mine will go right up in through here. If you guys can't get in there, use a screwdriver or something, but I don't have one, so like use a key or anything. Just slide up into there, give you a little room. So it'll go through the whole way, but it'll look like this. It'll look clean, like there's no lights there. So when you turn on the lights, all you see is just a light out of nowhere. So make sure you do that. If you do like any light system, any subs or anything, make sure you guys hide your wires. So now we're going to do the other side real quick and then plug it in, show you guys. This time I'm going to start with the front. So the best way for these to stick on, most cars have like a metal piece inside. Mine does, at least. But there's also like a carpet feeling. Don't stick it on the carpet, it won't really stick that well. And then you'll have to stick it with like Gorilla Tape and it'll cause a problem. So look for like any hard surfaces. The whole light, so now check underneath the wheel wells. We'll see the foot places, and here we go. You know that Lamborghini styling, love that. So now let's check it. We're gonna turn it on. It's a little bright right now, but you know, we got different colors now. We're back. I'm loving it. We got colorfuls, so I'm happy now. So I also have a light that goes up here, but I'll show you guys when it gets more darker. But I'm happy that got these lights back to work. So see you guys in the next video. If